I'm never drinking again. Woke up to 7 missed calls. Sent a text to my ex, and I bet you I broke a few laws. I'm never drinking again. Put a hurting on my credit card. I must have bought tequila shots for everybody at the bar. Well, I finally learned my lesson, seen the neon light on Sunday morning, saved no more Saturday nights. I mean it this time, at least until next weekend. I swear I'm never drinking again. My floor feels like a Dollywood ride. Billy Ray and Old Town Road pounding in my mind. Well, I finally learned my lesson, seen the neon light on Sunday morning, saved no more Saturday nights. I mean it this time, at least until next weekend. I swear I'm never drinking again. What the hell do I do? Well, it ain't gonna drink itself, and I don't wanna be rude. Oh, well, I guess I was blinded by the neon lights. Thank the Lord for Sunday morning after Saturday night. So, hey, bartender, pour me a shot, and then I swear I'm never drinking again.
Today's dance is called Never Drinking Again. It's a 32 count beginner level line dance. Let me face it up before. First section, we start to right foot, you cross, and then left foot touch behind, and left foot step back, and right foot to the side, and then we repeat the same pattern with the left foot, cross, and touch behind, side, and to the side. Okay, the section will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the second section, first we do a hold turn left. So right foot step, hold turn, and then 4 step within cross, side, behind, side, and then left foot do the cross, and then left foot recover. Okay, the section is calm. So after your cross, back, cross, touch, side, back, start the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the third section, you right foot big step to the right with a whole count, and then left foot rock back, recover, and then repeat one more time, left foot, side, hold, rock back, recover. Okay, this section is count, so after your cross recover, we're gonna stop the right foot. So 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold, 6, 7, 8. And then the very last section, we're gonna do the figure 8. So what you do is first right foot to the side, and left foot behind, and then with the quarter turn right, you will left foot step forward, and then you make a pivot tail turn right. So left foot step, and then tail turn right, your weight is on your right foot, and then another quarter turn right, and then left foot to the behind side. Okay, this section is count. So after your side hold, the back recover, we're gonna traveling to the right side with the right foot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put everything together with count. So start with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we start from the beginning, cross, touch, and back.